Hello my beautiful friends. Today I'll be making a yellow rice and I'm using this jasmine rice that you've seen me use in other videos here in my channel. We have no more, but we have exactly 2 cups of rice. So we use a cup like this one and we put 2 cups of that in a pot. So I'll be using a little bit of red pepper and some white onions, but you don't need to use very much. And the secret ingredient is that we're going to be using noodles, right? But the noodles that I'll be using is from the Maggie soups. So I know this sounds crazy, but it's a really awesome invention. So we use the Maggie soups that you buy at the store, and this has noodles on it. So we use this, and we also use some recipe or some ingredient from the sazon Goya, from the Latin type of ingredient, and I use 1 package of that, and that's to give it the color, the kind of like the reddish color, and it tastes amazing and looks amazing. So the first thing I'm going to do is just cut a little bit of that and wash this. So I wash my rice 2 times at least. The whole goal is to take away this cloudiness that is there. I want to get rid of the cloudiness. So, alright, so I stop the water and I start mixing that and just making sure that it's really mixed before I throw this water. Alright, and then I throw away this water, right? And then I repeat the process 1 more time. Okay, so make sure that the rice doesn't fall off. So I repeat that process again. Alright my beautiful friends, so I'm going to be cutting a little bit of pepper, okay? Not much. It's probably just like 2 strands like this. I would suggest that you use green pepper. Green pepper has a much better taste in my opinion. But since I have no green pepper, I'll be using this red pepper. I think probably I might just use 1. Because red pepper has a really, I guess, stronger taste than that of the green pepper. Alright, so I think I'll probably just use 1 strand. Yeah, 1 strand is enough, because since I'll be adding all of the other ingredients, it's going to have too much flavor, so 1 strand is more than enough. And I'll be adding some white onion, okay? Then again, just a very small portion of it, probably like this, right? And the onions just give the rice a really nice flavor, okay? So gives it a very nice flavor. Alright my lovely friends, so I have the rice there with all of those ingredients, like the red pepper and the onions, and I put some olive oil. You could add any type of oil. Don't add salt. That's one thing. The reason why not to add salt, because the Maggie soup has, the flavors are a little strong, so it actually serves as a substitution for salt. This type of rice is amazing for if you want to serve it with seafood, right? It's really good. It tastes really amazing. I did it the other day and my sister came over and she said, wow, the rice was really, really good. So I'm going to start mixing that for at least 20 minutes until, let me put that timer right there. But during the time frame of the 20 minutes, I'll be adding the first ingredient, which is the Maggie soup. When I first tried this, it was actually my husband's tip. And when I first tried it, I was like, I think this is crazy adding Maggie soup. But after I tasted it, I wasn't thinking that it was a crazy idea anymore. So we're gonna start mixing that for at least 20 minutes. That's the way we do it in our country, okay? Alright my lovely friends, so after 5 minutes mixing into it, I'm gonna start putting the Maggie soup. Like, wait a minute, this is for Maggie soups. Yeah, but it's so easy and it gives it so much nice flavor. And it's gonna turn the yellow rice into, the white rice into a yellow rice. And not only that, it serves as 2 purposes in 1. Actually 3 purposes in 1. It gives not only the color, the flavor, but it also serves as noodles into your rice. Not noodles, but like those small noodles that Maggie soups have. So this is amazing. Now I'll be adding the sazon Goya and with azafran, and this is good for rice. It actually says that you could use it for rice. So it's in Spanish here. It's from the Goya Goods Incorporation. So I'm going to be adding that too. Okay, awesome. I like that red color it gives. Start mixing. So I just put it for 20 minutes, and until those 20 minutes have passed, I'll start putting the water and keep on mixing it. All right, my beautiful people, you see the color has changed in our rice, and it's this beautiful yellow color. And the ingredients that we added are just going to bring some forth a beautiful taste. The one that I used right here, the Goya, it says that it's specially for rice, and it gives the, what do you call it, the rice or the protein more flavor and color to your food. So you see, I just need 9 more minutes. And you could also use this not only for rice, but also for fish, chicken, soups. A lot of Hispanic people use this on soups too, or beans, in fact. But this rice is gonna come out delicious. In my country, we use it, mix it for at least 20 minutes. Okay. All right, I've been mixing for a total of 20 minutes. I'll be adding my first cup of water. So I put, it's steaming quite a lot, and that's really hot. So I'll be adding 2 more of these cups. So that's 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. And you won't go wrong with this. Okay, so I've been mixing for the past 20 minutes. So that's a pretty long time. But that's how you get a much more perfect rice. So if you ever wanted to know how to get this yellow type of rice, the easiest way is doing it this way. And it includes little noodles. What more do you want? Great flavor, great color, and great taste. Now we're gonna put it in medium heats. Okay, in medium heat. And we're gonna let it stay, okay? We're gonna let it boil a little bit. And just cover that with a top. Okay, my beautiful friends, so this is the end result, and the smell is just delicious, and you could tell that the rice is done. I've been putting it on low heats when it's dry down there, okay? So you'll know that it's done, and it simply smells really, really good. Delicious for seafood or for any other type of food. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you did this recipe. Share with your friends here at Florida Kitchen, and have a beautiful day.